What's up, everybody? We are back with another episode of Going Vegan with Rachid. I am your host, Rachid Kareem Shatty, and we are here today at Ramen Hood, where I'm going to try out some spicy vegan Katsu ramen. Let's go see how Ramen Hood does ramen. All right, guys, we got our spicy pork Katsu ramen right here. So the broth is a spicy garlic sunflower seed broth. It also comes with OmniPork luncheon, bean sprouts, scallions, king oyster mushrooms, baby bok choy, nori, chili threads with vegan egg. All of it looks interesting, but a little unusual. Let's see how it tastes. This right here, this spicy pork Katsu garlic ramen is fire. The noodles are firm. The spicy garlic sunflower seed broth is nice and savory. The game changer on this dish, though, is this OmniPork luncheon. The OmniPork luncheon is carrying this. It is loaded with flavor. Texture is just like meat, it's chewy. It's even got like a little kind of a crispy outside to it. It's got a savory, kind of a little spice to it. This has got to be one of the best vegan meat substitutes I've ever had. I gotta be honest, I like the vegan egg. The vegan egg doesn't have the same consistency as regular egg. It dissolves a lot easier. It's not as firm as regular egg, but it's loaded with flavor. They kind of spice it up a little bit. It's very filling, a very good bowl of vegan ramen. All right, guys, that wraps up another episode of Going Vegan with Rachid. Thank you all so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment, and tune in again next week for another episode. Thank you all.